We're going somewhere special today. Back when Alex and I first met, we did a 2-week-long trip through southern Oregon and Nevada. We saw a lot of places, but there was one place in particular that we didn't make it to. We have our chance today. It's been almost a month on the road, and we're finally transitioning from forest to desert. After a seemingly endless stretch of corrugated gravel road, it's time to descend into the Gulch. This easy, budget-friendly curry with homemade sourdough naan is a staple in our diet, especially when we're low on fresh ingredients. In the morning, I prepare the dough while whipping up breakfast, allowing it to rise and transform into pillowy naan by dinner time. When we're ready, I set basmati rice to simmer on the stove and start the naan rolling endeavor. I currently use whatever makeshift tools I can find for this task, as you can see with my humble sesame oil bottle attempting to fill in for a rolling pin. While the naan sizzles in a hot skillet, I focus on sautéing the aromatics. A medley of spices, cumin, curry powder, turmeric, masala, chili, salt and pepper follows, infusing the dish with depth. I then add chickpeas, tomato puree, and coconut milk and let the curry simmer, allowing all of the flavors to marry. Just before serving, I toss in a generous handful of fresh spinach, a sprinkle of cilantro if it's on hand, and a zesty squeeze of fresh lemon. This burst of green not only adds a nutritional punch, but also brightens up the entire dish. As we enjoy, Alex confesses that he would have never imagined Indian curry becoming one of his all-time favorites. It's a reminder of how embracing diverse cuisines can be a delightful surprise.
How's it look?
Delicious.
Am I an expert?
That sizzle.
It's just, oh my gosh, it's just, holy heck. Holy heck. I don't know, it never does it justice. This is, but it seems like it would be a pretty great place to rock climb.
I know. I feel like you're not allowed because it's too fragile.
Yeah, probably.
All right, are you rocked and loaded?
That was my bottom.
Leslie Gulch was formed 15.5 million years ago by the erupting mahogany caldera. It must have been a spectacular show of violent force that only Mother Nature can summon. To be here, now, standing amongst the extinguished aftermath, it fills our minds with awe. We are in the presence of something far greater than us. Sometimes things don't work out the way we planned. It was our intention to stay here for a couple days, do some hikes, and get to know the area a little bit better. However, when we exited the van upon arrival, the van was swarmed by flies. In a matter of seconds, we had more than 20 flies buzzing around our interior. We're usually fairly tolerant of intrusive insects, but the increasing population of little invaders was bound to drive us mad. We were scheduled to meet with some friends after our excursion, so we simply pushed up our schedule and left. Perhaps we will return one day. Who knows?